Hi, I'm back and we're going to work on page 2. We already have the front, which I'm going to leave like that. You can probably get a picture here. And now this one folds down like this, and we end up with 3 spots. The one we already did. And I've already cut my papers, and like I said, I'm not giving you my sizes because your book might be, you might have used different envelope sizes, whatnot. So I'm going to do that there. I'm going to put this as a tuck spot here. And this was one of the tags, and I did cut it down some to where I want it to fit the way I want it to fit. And then I backed it with an extra card because I didn't like what was on the other side. So that's going to tuck there. So we'll get these glued down first. And I'm still using my art glitter glue. We're going to peel the backing off our score tape here so we don't forget. I try to do that before I throw glue on whatever I'm going to put there, because sometimes I throw glue on and stick it and forget to do the packing. And when I've done that, it hasn't hurt. The magnets still work. They're awful strong. So we're just going to put our glue down. And I did ink it with the frayed burlap. And I want it this way. And then I'm just going to stick it down. And ignore my black, that's just helping to weigh stuff down so it stays out of my way, to be honest. There we go. Then we're going to glue this middle piece down. Make sure that's good connection. It looks like it was blocking a little. Okay, it's down. And that's going to be right here. And there, here. Now on our tag, I'm just going to put glue here and here because I want it to be a tuck spot. So we're going to go right there and there. And I want it right about here. Now I am going to try to find my little gems right here. And just like up here I put those little gems on, I think I'm going to put about 3 of them on here too. So I'm going to use a medium-sized one. This size here. So now there is some funky stuff there, so I'm just going to kind of clip it off on both sides and then place it there right in the center. And then, let's see, I think that can handle another one that's medium size. that one there, and then this little teeny tiny one's getting a little teeny tiny one. You almost have to drop it and then scoot it right where you want it. There. Just like that. So I don't know how well you can see that. But we have our 3 gems on there. And everything just slid right on out. Okay. And then our tag will fit right in there. Now, I didn't punch my hole yet. I'm going to reach over here and get my punch. And it's kind of a big hole there. But I think I am going to leave some of the brown around. Like that. So I went ahead and just punched a hole there where I want it. And for now, I'm just going to take the twine, cut some twine off. And feed it through. Just like that. And decide how long I want it, and give it a whack. Now, before I finish, I might go through and just put a drop of the liquid glass there just to keep it tight, because I don't like it when they start like coming apart. And I might even glue it down so it hangs down some, like that. I don't know, we'll see. Okay, and then it flips up. So our flip up section, I'm going to do in the stars, and those will just be photo mats. And just places for pictures. That one. And that one. And I want the sparkly stuff on this side. It doesn't really matter, really, whichever. Now, there was one other thing I forgot to do. On this little pocket here, I have a sticker. And I'm thinking I want it right there. Just to break up some of that brown. And so it's got a little reindeer on it, and it says Merry and Bright. So I'm putting that just right like that. So that is that page made. And then we're going to flip this open. Now we'll be on this page. So on this page, and these are our two solid pages, no flips, nothing fancy. We're going to put matching paper down on both sides, just like that. So we're going to go ahead and glue those down. Put it on this side, and this on this side. Yeah, do that often. And this on this side. Now, on my chipboard packet, they had these little chipboard words, nice and naughty, and I thought those would be cute there. But I'm only going to glue bottom part. I just want to, and I did use my powder tool, or if you just have a bottle of talcum powder, and I powdered them both all up, just like that. And I inked around them. Now I'm just going to go right about there, and I'm going to re-glue it. Get it kind of even, and press it down. And then I'm going to do the same here. So I just want a line all the way across here. Get that down. And that glue will dry clear. So I try to get it off just because if I go ahead and flip the page and it's still wet, it might stick. But give it a good press down. And then I took some of my pattern leftover paper, and I just backed it on some of my leftover cardstock or leftover papers. And I'm just inking all the way around them. Just remove some of that white. And now we have a photo mat that will fit right in there, just like that. sure there's no glue so it won't stay. So that one's done. Hit this side just a little. So now you got pictures for actually, you got room for 1, 2, 3 pictures, or 2 pictures in journaling. And make sure it goes how far you want it. I'd like that to go just a little bit more. Yeah, good enough. And that's how I get it together. I wanted to just kind of push it in, pull it out, make sure there's no glue on there. There. So we got page 2 done. In the beginning of page 3. And I'm not sure if I cut. So now we'll do this page next. Now this one does have a pocket, so we can maybe do another pocket. So this one's going to fold up, and this one's going to fold down. So that's where we'll be next. So I'm going to go through my papers and decide what I want next. And I'll cut them and decorate and see what we end up with. But so far we got our first 2 pages done. Excuse me. We got 1, 2, 3 more pages. The back cover and our back there. Then we can finish doing the front. So I hope you enjoyed today's video. I might get it, come back and do another one. And we'll see how it goes with getting the papers I want cut. So, hoping I inspired you to make something or try something you didn't think of trying before. Have a great day. Subscribe, or if you have any questions, please feel free to ask. Thank you. Bye.